hear a little bit about what you measured, what you found out, and how those measurements compared. Who can share with me some of the information that they found out today as you were doing measurements? Mark, let's start with you.
The width of the smart board screen is 1 centimeter longer than me.
Okay, and how did you figure that out?
Because we figured out that it was 1 meter and 56 centimeters, and we figured out that I was 1 meter and 55 centimeters.
Excellent. Thank you. Ella, what did you figure out?
We measured all of the members in the group.
Okay.
For me, Jenna, Faisal, Mark, and Kayla.
Okay.
And we figured that Jenna was the shortest at 139 centimeters, and Mark is the tallest, and he already said 155 centimeters.
And what would the difference between them be, and how do you know? If Jenna's the shortest, you said it was 139 centimeters, and Mark, you were 155?
I already know that.
Okay. How many centimeters difference are there? Jack, what do you think?
16 centimeters.
Okay. And why do you think 16 centimeters? How did you figure that out?
Because if you add another one on 139, it comes to 40, and then you add 5, it goes to 40, it goes to 45. There's actually 6 centimeters that we have so far, and then you just add another 10, which makes 155.
Thank you. Okay. Who else can tell me, what was the biggest thing you measured? Claire, what was the biggest or tallest, I guess would probably be the best word? People? What person was the tallest person that you measured?
It was Timana.
Okay.
She was 146 centimeters.
Okay.
So one.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No, hold on.
So 146 centimeters.
Okay, now hold on. You said 100. You said 146 centimeters. Mark, why are you questioning that?
Because she's taller than me.
Okay.
I am 155 centimeters.
Okay. So, yes.
Faisal, we measured him, and he was 147, and we already know that Timana is taller than Faisal.
You know what I'm liking here is even though there might have been a little off one, what I really, really like, what makes me so happy as we're going through this together, is the idea that people are being critical in a good way of measurements. They're thinking about if things make sense based on other things that they measured. What might make more sense, and I'm guessing could have just been a written down thing because I think I heard something different from your group. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking since it was only all 3 of us and we all have the same amount, I'm
Yeah.
thinking that maybe it was a different measurement that we were measuring
Yes.
instead of centimeters.
Yeah. And you, I think, Tamon actually wrote something down that was different, right? Instead of 145, do you remember what you wrote down? I thought that she had written down, and maybe it wasn't you who wrote it down in the group, but I thought someone said, right, who said, was it, what did you say, Samad? Do you remember?
Which one?
I thought you had said about 155 centimeters, which would make sense if
I was 157.
you were 157, and you were...
I'd say she'd make more sense for 156.
Okay, and why 156?
Because she looks a centimeter shorter than Samid, but a centimeter taller than me.
Okay. So it certainly seems to make some good logical sense. And you know what's interesting here? We've got a lot of very specific number amounts here, but these are also some neat way to measure without actually giving us number amounts, just even with the comparisons to each other.
We should do what Mr. Hutchison did last year, where he had this thing to see, to show who's the tallest.
That would be good. We could probably take our individual measurements and our own knowledge and be able to figure that out.